Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to install Pokémon Unbound on your iPhone in 2026, and I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible. We're going to start on the computer first because that's where the most confusing part happens. That's where we download the correct files, patch the game, and create the actual playable Pokémon Unbound file. Then, once that part is done, we'll move over to the iPhone and import the game into the Delta Emulator. That's it. Let's get started. Alright. So now on your computer, go ahead and open up Google and head over to the official community thread where the latest version of Pokémon Unbound is posted. To get there, just type in Pokémon Unbound, press enter, and it's that very first link, pokecommunity.com. You're going to go ahead and scroll down to the download section, which is right here, and you're going to go ahead and click this link, Unbound 2.1.1. It's going to open up this MediaFire download page, and you're going to click this blue download button. Choose where you want it downloaded on your file system. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and open up the folder. You'll notice that this is a zip file, so you're going to have to extract this. On Windows 11, you can just hit extract all right here, or you can right click and look for the option extract all. It's going to open up this pop-up where you select a destination. Go ahead and just hit extract. And you'll see that your zip file has been extracted. Go ahead and open up that new folder that got extracted, and you're looking for this Pokémon Unbound official.ups. This is the actual patch file, and this is where a lot of people get confused. The Pokémon Unbound file you just downloaded is not the actual game you drag into the emulator. It's a patch. So if you try to put that patch directly into Delta later, it won't work. The patch needs to be applied to a compatible Pokémon FireRed file first. Think of it like this. The FireRed file is the base, and the Unbound patch is the modification. So when you combine them, you get the actual playable Pokémon Unbound game file. So now that we have the Pokémon Unbound patch downloaded, the next thing we need to do is get our compatible FireRed file. Now, unfortunately, for legal reasons, I can't show you any websites to download ROMs, because you need to use your own legally obtained ROM, but just make sure that the one that you get is 1636 Pokemon FireRed U Squirrels. Hooray! At this point, you should have both your Pokemon FireRed Squirrels folder and your Pokemon Unbound official patch folders somewhere on in your file system where you know where it's at. The next step is to actually patch these files, and the way you do that, the easy way, is just go ahead, go to Google and type in ROM patcher, and you're going to go to the first one, Mark Robledo, and it's very easy. Right here at the top where it says ROM file, you're going to go ahead and click it, and you're going to go in your file system to your GBA file, so your Pokemon FireRed Squirrels, and it's going to look like this. It's going to end in .gba. You're going to select that one, and then for the patch files, it's that .ups file that should be found in the Pokemon Unbound official patch folder. It's this Pokemon Unbound official.ups, and you're going to click that. If you have the correct FireRed, it should have a green check mark, and you should just be able to click apply patch. It's going to open up your file system again, and you're going to select where you want it downloaded. Just download it in the same place, and it automatically adds this patched right here. But if you want, you can completely rename this to just Pokemon Unbound, because it is officially Pokemon Unbound. And just go ahead and hit save, and go back to your file structure, and you'll see right here Pokemon Unbound.gba, and that's your patched game. That's the game that you're actually going to use on your iPhone. All right, for this next step is actually sending the GBA file over to your iPhone. The way you're gonna do that is you're gonna log into your iCloud Drive. As you can see here, I'm logged into my iCloud Drive. You're gonna go, I like the downloads folder because it's easy to find. So you're gonna go to your downloads folder and click this button right here, which is just upload. And you're gonna select the folder where you're keeping your Pokémon Unbound.gba, and you're gonna select that and hit open. And that's gonna go ahead and upload it to your iPhone. All right, now we're gonna head into our phone, go to your App Store, and you're gonna type in Delta Emulator, just like this. It is going to be that second option, Delta Game Emulator. I already have mine downloaded, but you're gonna go ahead and download yours and then open it. When you open it, yours is gonna be empty. Mine has 2 games, but you're gonna hit this plus button and go from files. Now you're gonna find wherever your Pokemon Unbound.gba file is that you uploaded to iCloud. And as you can see here, Pokemon Unbound appears. You just click on it and the game starts working. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope the instructions were clear and you guys get to play in Pokemon.